Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my zipper pull or drawstrings for a drawstring bag or for the spool holder in my needle case. I've shown how I do this within other videos, but I thought I'd put it in one place so it's easily referred to. When I show you how to make the needle case, then you'll just be able to do your drawstrings from this video. When I'm doing it in the needle case, it's 1 inch that I'm a 1 inch piece, 1 inch wide. When I'm doing it for a drawstring in a drawstring bag, I might do 1 1/4 or 1 1/2, whatever you would like for your drawstring there. And so I said the needle holder, and for the zipper pull, I do them 1 inch by 9 inches. The drawstrings on your drawstring bag, whatever length you want them to be. I first sew a line across the end of my piece, fold it in half, sew across, and do a back stitch. Sometimes if your fabric is fine, it might not want to go and do a back stitch, then I would just turn my fabric around and stitch back across. If for some reason it does get eaten, I use my tweezers and pull it back out. Using my tweezers, I put them into the very end of my piece and flip it out so that I've got a point like this. Then I would take it to the iron and iron it in half, like this one. When I'm doing them for a drawstring, I would do both ends turned under. When I'm doing it for this spool holder, you only need to have one end turned under. Once I've been and I've ironed it in half, I put it on my bed of my sewing machine and fold it to the middle and to the middle, and then back on itself so that now it's a little tiny tube. I start sewing about 1 inch from the end where the point is. Using my tweezers to hold it, stitching up to the point, then across the angle, that doesn't happen usually, but because I'm on the video, it will. There we go, and then I come back down over where I've stitched. If it starts being eaten at the back, just use your tweezers and hold it out. See how I've got my tweezers underneath my foot? I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but underneath my foot there, that just helps it to grip and come forward. Then just sewing down the length and if you had your point on the other end when you're making a drawstring or a zipper pull, it's the same as that end up there. Go down across your point, but because I'm just making a sample here, I'm just going to stitch to the bottom. And there we have a little tube with a nice neatened end on the end.